Hello and welcome to one of the deluxe suites of the Maracaibo Hotel in Puerto Rico, Gran Canaria. The rooms are basic but more than comfortable. Large king-size bed. Nice towels laid out for you. Wardrobe to put all your stuff in. The safe is in the back of the wardrobe. Little chest of drawers. Into the bathroom. Walk-in shower. Plenty of hot water, lasts ages, plenty of pressure too. Complete with towels and everything you need, hairdryer, toilet. Into the main room. Complete with kitchen, toaster, coffee maker, kettle, fridge, all the usual things, microwave, water boiler, air conditioning. And best of all, this view. And that's the Maracaibo Hotel, Puerto Rico.